This day is one of the most important days of the entire year. I am not exaggerating. And I'm going to tell you a little bit more about why that is. There is a powerful stargate energetic portal that opens every year between July 26th through August 12th. And what happens is the sun and the star Sirius align in a very powerful way, and this activates new light codes, as we call them, new energetic frequencies to activate our DNA, to activate us on a deep energetic level. This is the new light codes that come to Earth every year. So this is the Planetary New Year. This is the time of year when the Earth gets upgraded, up-leveled, renewed, revitalized, energized, supercharged, and we all go up to powerful new levels. And a huge part of this focus is abundance, is the energy of abundance in all forms. These light codes coming through, many of them are wealth frequencies. One of them is the diamond light wealth frequency, which is the frequency that I work most closely with. I have a collective of 24 guides, star guides, diamond light wealth frequency, galactic guides, star beings that I work with to bring through this energy, to channel about this energy that I work with, to do healing with as well. And this is activating the entire planet, and specifically this is coming through to help heal the money system on Earth so that it is fairer, so that it is more balanced, so that more light workers have access to this wealth, so that more light workers have access to this increased money, wealth, and prosperity, and with greater ease. So what does this mean for you, and how can you work with this energy? So first of all, everyone here is a light worker, is a very intuitive being, and many of you maybe already are aware of this and are working with us, but you can, if you're not sure where to begin or what to do, you can call upon the angels to help you. You can call upon the Lionsgate energy itself. You can work with the sun. You can connect with the sun. You can connect with Sirius. You can, if you're connected with Egypt, if that feels right to you, you can connect with the pyramids in Egypt, because this is also connected with the pyramids in Egypt and how they align with the pyramids, how the sun and Sirius align with the pyramids in Egypt. This is a stargate that has been incorporated and harnessed and utilized for thousands of years on Earth. It is the time when we all get more fully aligned and calibrated to be able to access our infinite potential. We are all completely and utterly connected with the infinite potential, the infinite manifesting energy, the infinite abundance, the infinite creative energy that runs throughout the universe, and we can all tap into that. And this energy coming through is helping us to tap into that. It's helping us to expand our potential and our manifesting abilities even further. And not just that, it's helping us to access it with greater ease, so that it is easier for light workers on Earth to claim and reclaim their divine birthright of abundance, wealth, and prosperity, to get paid well, to get highly compensated for sharing their gifts, and just for being you, just for shining your light. There is nothing that you have to do to receive this, but it's almost like we have to undo some stuff, because we have been taught that we have to do. We have to be deserving and worthy enough to get paid for our work, so to speak. So if you're not sure where to begin, connect with this energy today. Sit down and do a meditation. Close your eyes. You can call upon Archangel Ariel. It's very powerful to call upon right now. Archangel Uriel and Archangel Metatron, and any other archangel you feel guided to call upon, and the angels of abundance, wealth, and prosperity. And you can ask them to help you to harness this Lionsgate energy. And you can ask them to help you to receive the light codes that are coming to Earth and to integrate them and to ground them. This is working on you whether you're conscious of it or not, but it's more powerful to work with it in a conscious way, to actually set the intention, to set the intention that you are working with this energy and that it is driving you forward. So another powerful thing, just like with the new moon, many of you probably work with the new moon or know about setting your intentions on the new moon and putting that energy forward of what you're going to accomplish and what you are calling into your life. This is the time to do that now. What are you calling into your life right now? What are the dreams and goals that are closest to your heart right now? And it is the time to decide that you are calling them in, setting that intention. You can write down those goals if you haven't already done so. If you already have, re-energize the list that you have of those goals or the vision board. There's many ways that you can do this and work with it, but the most important thing is the intention and the energy that you have behind it, and setting the intention that you are not settling for anything less than your dreams and goals, and that this energy is carrying you forward, and that we are actually starting a new year, a new earthly cycle. And so it's almost like when you start the new year in January, like our calendar year, only way more exciting because, well, certainly if you're in the Northern Hemisphere, it's more exciting to me because it is summertime, which gives you that momentum and that energy, that light to move forward. Of course, if you're in the Southern Hemisphere, it's winter for you. But it's also that energy, that 8-8 infinite energy, that there is just nothing else like it. And when you start working with it, maybe it's totally like new for you, or maybe you've never really set these intentions before. When you start doing that, things start to shift and you will connect with this energy. Have an amazing 8-8. I love you guys. I'll speak to you soon. Bye.